Hey everyone, what's up? It's Dergonza here in a new tutorial. This time I will teach you how to change your username in your own YouTube channel. This is a new feature added in the last year and is automatically generated by YouTube. Some people doesn't know how to change that, so let's find out. Well, the first step is simple. Go to your channel logo miniature and be sure you want to change the username of that channel. Once you made sure, go to your channel profile and replace the URL for the word handle. You will be redirected to another website. You have to press the button Change Identifier. And now you can customize your username. As you can see, when you change your username, the URL changes too. You can repeat the process for your other channels as you want. I hope this tutorial has helped you. Subscribe to this and my other channels if you want to see another type of content. So that's all. Thank you for your attention and see you next time.